Draw an A4 size rectangle, 210 by 297 mm. Fill color using interactive fill tool. Draw a line using freehand tool. Hold Ctrl and draw a cross line. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Weld these objects. Increase this line length. Create a copy of vertical line. Select both vertical line and rotate. Should be parallel to the slanting line. Decrease the gap. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Change color using interactive fill tool, dark to light color. Create a copy of this object and place it on the intersection. Select Freehand tool and draw a line as shown here. Create a copy of this line and place it on the opposite end. Fill color using Smart Fill tool and weld these objects. Copy-paste same color and adjust it. Press Ctrl page down to send it back step by step. Reverse fill. Delete these lines. Smart Fill. Change color. Hold Ctrl and rotate from top to bottom. Press right-click to create a copy. Place it on the corner as shown here and send it back. Adjust color. Delete all lines. Draw a rectangle. Press Ctrl-Q to convert to curves. Select the node using Shape tool and move using left arrow key. Create a copy of this object and increase height. Select both the nodes using Shape tool and decrease width from right side. Select the node, go to Window, Dockers, Fillet, enter particular corner value, click on Apply. Copy-paste same color. Select all and remove outline. Right-click on cross mark on color palette. Power clip an image inside the background. Create a copy of this object and place it as shown here. Smart Fill. Select all group.